everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show y'all how to make a wreath using burlap and an 8-inch wreath frame from Dollar Tree. So the wreath frames come in 2 packs. They're 8 inches at Dollar Tree for $1.25, and I got this burlap from Hobby Lobby. It's $4.99. It was half price, so it was $2.50. And it's 15 feet and it's 5.5 inches in width. So what I'm going to do is show y'all how I attach it to the small wreath frame. I followed Dave's Wreaths and Things tutorial. He has a video on 2 ways to do a burlap wreath. One is a bubble method and one is a ruffle method. This one I did the bubble method. I prefer this method, but it is super hard to explain. So what I'm going to do is show y'all the ruffle method, and then I'm going to link his video on how to make the 2 different methods of burlap wreaths. He uses a 14-inch, but me, I like the small ones. You get 2 of them, and even though they're smaller, they're so cute to me. So I'm going to show y'all how to attach it, the burlap, to this wreath frame, and then I'm gonna show y'all how I make the base with using this 8-inch wreath frame. So first thing I'm going to do is anchor it. So I'm going to unravel the whole thing first. And I'm going to anchor it. So what I'm going to do is, on this 8-inch wreath, there's 3 wires. I'm going to anchor it right here to the middle one. So all I do is just bunch it up on the end right there, and I'm just gonna zip tie it right here. Okay. Then I'm gonna cut this little piece off. Okay, the next thing I do is basically I'm gonna fold this in half all the way down, and I'm gonna sandwich this middle bar in between it. So get the middle bar right here and then sandwich it just like this. And I'm just going to do that all the way down and just squish it up. So I'll show y'all, I'm going to speed this up and show y'all how I sandwich this middle frame in between the burlap after I fold it in half. the difference. This is the ruffle method, and this is the bubble method. Now, I prefer this one because it's floofier, but this one is more spread out. So, like I said, I'm going to link Dave's Wreaths and Things channel. The video link is going to be down in the description, and it'll show you the bubble method and the ruffle method. I just showed y'all the ruffle because it's easier to explain. Basically, get the 5.5 inch burlap, fold it in half, and put the center bar in the between, and just keep on feeding it, squishing it together. That's this method. The bubble one, no idea how to explain to y'all. I just know how to do it. But I am going to go ahead and this one or this one. I think I'm going to go ahead and use this one since it's spread out more. I'll use this one on something different. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to glue some chenille stems to the back of this to attach it. And then all I'm going to do is just add a little bow and a little something in the middle. And that's it. This is just a very simple burlap wreath, a little small 8-inch one. Nothing too fancy, but just a cute little decor. I love the look. And I'm going to show y'all real quick on how to do it. So, do this side. And then I'm going to go and do this side. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold these down, that up a little bit, down, up, and I'm going to flip this over, and I'm going to attach the bottom one here and the top one here. And of course I'm going to add some hot glue so it doesn't move around on me. And next, all I'm going to do is attach this bow. Let's see how this goes. And I'm going to add this right here. And here we go, just a simple wreath. Let me change the angle of my cameras to give y'all a better look. And here it is. A simple little burlap wreath. Nothing too fancy. I think it's so cute. Tell me what y'all think. Y'all have any comments or questions, drop them below. Turn on that notification bell. Please subscribe. I know, shameless plug. I will talk to y'all later. Bye.